Okay, this is remainder concept type 2. I'm going to use method 3. How many units of the remainder are there in the original to solve this question? Okay, let's start off by drawing the model. Okay, this bar represents the number of chocolates Miss Rita had at first. Okay, so she gave 84 to class 6A. Okay, and that will give us the remainder over here. Okay, and 2/5 of the remainder to class 6B. Okay, so I need to cut this into 5 equal parts. Okay, and 2 parts or 2/5 of the remainder was given to class 6B. And we know that from over here, she was left with 1/4 of the original number of chocolates. Okay, in our model, we know that this is our leftover. Okay, and merging this piece of information from the model and this piece of information over here, we know that this is 1/4 of the original. Okay, now, how many units of the remainder are there in the original? Okay, from here, or from the model, we know that, okay, 1/4 of original is actually 3 units. Okay, this one represents this unit over here. Okay, so 1/4 of the original represents 3 units. Okay, and we need to know how many units of the remainder, or in short, how many units of this, or how many of this are there in the original. Okay, that means we need to find out 4/4 of the original. In 4/4 of the original, how many units are there? Okay, so from 1/4 to 4/4, we actually multiply by 4. Same thing over here, we multiply by 4. So we know that there are actually 12 units of the remainder. Okay, let me change the color of the ink. Okay, so in other words, okay, this whole bar, okay, can then be represented by actually 12 units. Okay, this one is the same as this one over here. Okay, so looking at the model, we know that, okay, 84 is represented by 7 of this. Okay, so 7 units is actually 84. Okay, so 1 unit of the remainder is actually 84 divided by 7, which gives us 12. Okay, since we need to find how many chocolates did she have at first, that means we're actually finding 12 units of the remainder. Okay, so 12 times 12, 144. Okay, so in this method, we're actually finding out, okay, in the original, how many units of the remainder are there.